Hello everyone, this is Ashish Pratap Singh. Welcome back to our channel Code CATY. So in this video, we are going to see how to add notification in our React Native project. Okay, so I have created one of the backend API. Okay, so here you can see this notification method is going to create a notification and that will send over our application. Okay, we'll see how we did this setup. Okay, so let's just save it so that it will send notification. So yeah, you can see we got this notification. Once we'll click on this, then we'll be on our application. Okay, so this is how it works. So let's see how all the things work. So first of all, we'll go through this thing. Okay, so here you can see I'm having this method. So I'll provide the whole code and we'll provide you the link in the description. Okay, so here you can see I'm having this method. Okay, SDK, and it is just sending initializing. Okay, first of all we are going to initialize it. Okay, and we'll see like how we can get this JSON. Okay, and then this same method is going to use to send the notification like this method is going to use. Okay, and we just need to pass the token. Okay, and here this is the title and this is the description, and we can also send data. So if I'll show you here, if I'll reconnect this dev tool. Okay, so whenever we are sending notification, so let's go in background again and send notification. So if I'll open this, so here you can see I got notification like this. Okay, and I got all the data related to that notification that can be used to open any particular screen and all. Okay, so let's see. So first of all, what we need to do, we need to come up here on Firebase. Okay, and on Firebase, what we need to do, we need to create a project. Okay, so we have already did this, but I'll do it again. Okay, so let's name it test. Okay, so maybe test. Oh, okay, there is. So click on next, then continue, then select account like this and create a project. Okay, so meanwhile we'll open one of the library. So React Native. So okay, not this one, not push notification, the Firebase node. Okay, so I'll open this. So I wanted to open cloud messaging actually. So yeah, this one. So we just need to follow these steps. Okay, so first of all we need to install this thing. Okay, then we need to install this thing. Okay, after that we have to follow each and every step whatever mentioned here. Okay, but not each and everything, because Firebase also provide few of the things, so we need to make sure to add that. Okay, so once your project is created, you need to select Android. So we are working on Android now, that's why I have selected Android. Okay, and then we have to provide the package name. So how it will be looks like, okay, in our application. So if you'll open your manifest file. Okay, so then okay, let's search for com dot. Okay, so if I'll search for com dot, then you can see in my main activity also I'll found that com dot code CATY. So it will include your project name also. Okay, so it will look like this only. Okay, so if I'll show you this one, so this is also the same code dot code. So I just need to copy this and provide it here. Okay, then register. So few more things will be provided here. So we just need to, okay, now you can see there is a file called google.services.json. So we just need to download this and add it. Okay, it will provide the path also, like inside the Android folder under the app. Okay, so I'll show you where. So if I'll collapse each and everything and I'll open this Android folder, and inside this app folder you just need to paste the same file. Okay, whatever you have downloaded. Okay, so I've already there, so let's go to next and use this. Okay, so now you can ignore this one. We don't need to worry about this, but rest of the things are so important. Okay, so under this app level, okay, app level build gradle. So what are the changes those are required? We'll see. So if I'll open this, so let's open this app level changes. So first of all, you just need to add this Google services, okay, and one more change. Inside this dependencies, you have to pass these two things. Okay, so this will be also provided here whenever you are getting started with this library. So you'll find each and everything. So you can see here under this Android build.gradle. So if I'll open this Android build.gradle, so here you can see I got this path. So I have added the same manner like this. So this is the same. Okay, so what's you just need to think about the version. So those should be the latest version, make sure. Okay, then apply this line should be also added. So where, but under this app level and Android. Okay, so here you can see I've added this. Okay, this, then at the bottom also you have to pass few of the things, like these are the things those I was talking about. So copy these two of the things and just paste it. Okay, so this is the same path. You can see open it here. So this looks same, right? So we are adding plugin this manner, not like this. That's why I was showing you from here. Okay, so things are so easy to understand from this documentation. So let's refer this only. Okay, so after doing all things, okay, you just need to do one more thing, that you need to add this permission. Okay, so what is this? So whenever you just need to have broadcast messages, then you need to apply this permission. Okay, so once things are done, then you need to make sure that app will be rebuilt, okay, using npm run Android. If I'll open package.json, then here you can see there is a command Android. You need to run this command. Okay, so whenever you are changing anything under Android or iOS folder, so make sure to rebuild. Okay, so once done, then we'll come up here next and come here and select for this build. Okay, will not find here, then select for this run. Under this there is messaging. Okay, and under this messaging you'll find to create your first campaign. Okay, so I want this thing. Okay, let's do this. Okay, so I can add my notification here also. If you don't want to create this backend service, then you can also try the things from here. So let's do this. Let's name it code CATY test. Okay, okay, so this will not run for my current project because this is a different project. I'll show you from my different project. Okay, so one more thing. So I was showing you this service. Okay, and I'm using this Firebase. Okay, and under this Firebase I'm using some keys. Okay, so from where we'll get this? So let's open my project settings. Okay, and here service account. If I click on service account, then there you'll find one way of downloading those credentials. Okay, so this will take a few minutes maybe. Okay, then once you will download that, so you just need to uh, pass it here. Okay, so same code will be there, so you'll get this whole thing here itself. Okay, you can see, so I'm having the same code whatever written here. Okay, and then just you just need to generate new private key and just download that. Okay, once you'll download this, okay, you just need to use the same method, okay, here, and to send the notification. Okay, so I'll provide the code also. I'll provide the description. Okay, and then a few more things. So if I'll come up here over my app.tsx, okay, so here you can see I'm having this hook, okay, that contains so many of the things, like it checks that whether I'm having the permissions or not, okay, and all. Okay, and after that you can see I'm having different methods, like whenever the messages are coming up, then what messages should be console and what should I do. Okay, now just want to show you this get fcm token. Okay, so what is this? So this is like if you are working in a real life scenario, so you the backend need to save this fcm token so that whenever they need to send notification, then this can be used. Okay, so this is going to be used like how. So if I'll show you here the data dot token. Okay, so I've saved this token under this file like this. Okay, and uh, so that if I'll show you here, that token is my device token, so this is the same token I'm talking about. So this is really important if you are going to create a API from your Node.js or something else. Okay, so that's how thing works. So yeah, so whatever the things we have added under this are hook. Okay, so we just need to use them under my app.tsx. Okay, and like this. Okay, so we have just imported everything and we have passed it here. Okay, so now one more thing I wanted to show you, like if you don't want to create a backend, okay, and you want to send notification, then there's one way. So click on this run. Under this there's a messaging. Okay, so we'll click on here and then we just need to create a campaign, new campaign. Okay, so I've already created, so I'll duplicate it. Okay, and then I'm having this. Okay, and if I click on next, then select the first time you'll not get this, so select this one. So this is the package name of your application. Click on next and click on schedule and click on now. Okay, because we just need to send notification now. So let's click next, again next. So this will take some time, that won't be at the same instant. Okay, so let's publish this. So if I'll show you here, I've already sent the same notification, so it will be look like this. Okay, so yeah, we have received our notification whatever we have configured. Okay, without having backend. Okay, so yeah, that's how things work. If you really enjoyed the video, then please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.